What's up, y'all? Ellis1 Houston Entertainment here. So the other day, whenever I was trying to fix that car, I needed to charge a battery. So I tried using this and it's broken. So shout out to my dad. We just got back from AutoZone and we picked up a Duralast 200 amp battery charger. So today I thought we'd do a little unboxing. All right, y'all. The dullest knife ever. Instructions. And oh man, this is too clean. This is too clean. Ooh, it's not that heavy, but and don't believe there's anything else in the box. But here we go. Let's give it a look. So we got this front of it. There goes the top, and this comes out the little thing. Here goes the whole setup. Yeah. We'll test it out and see how it goes. I thought there would be like a little setting up going on, but it's already set up for us. So I'll let you know how it works. All right. So earlier we were trying to use the brand new charger that we bought. We're trying to use it on the Focus, but it was not working on the Focus. And my dad went into that and looked at it a little bit better and figured out that the Focus battery is not working. It's total trash, really. He looked at the date whenever it was first produced, and it said went into production 2017. So obviously we're in 2021. It lasted longer than really most batteries would. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna head up to Walmart with my boy Alpha Visuals, and we're gonna go ahead and go hopefully get me a new battery. We'll try to see which one's the best price and which one's the best bang for your buck, really. But this Duralast charger is working. We are using it to charge up the riding lawnmower, as you can see right now. It's a little bit easy to use right here. If you look closely, there's a charge/maintain. So that like charge/maintain is like a trickle charger actually. That'll keep your battery charged like over the winter and stuff like that. Whenever you're not using the machine that you're charging, really, it'll keep it all charged up. 40 amp boost, so that's like more for like a vehicle, like my car, obviously. And then 200 amp engine start. That is for like, say my battery's dead right now and I really want to get my car started. Engine start, obviously. And then here goes your on side. Press start, turn it on. It'll hold on in this same color right here. Then the charge/maintaining, that's also a different mode, let you know. Clamps reverse/bad battery. This light will show you and let you know as well. But none of these lights are on at the moment. But this is on the trickle charger at the moment, so that's the Duralast battery charger, really. All right, so I got the battery in the back. It's early in the morning. We're about to head over to Walmart, and hopefully we can find the same battery or even a better one for a good price. I forgot to vlog inside of Walmart. Don't mind this ugly little carpet, but there goes the new battery for the Focus. It was, the price for it was not pretty. I was expecting it to be a lot more cheaper, but we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. But the vet is gonna go in the garage. I'm not driving this for a little bit. All right, so I got the battery in the Focus, and now she is up running perfectly fine. Ugh. And now I can begin to finally save gas again. And the vet is inside the garage. Don't mind all these dirty windows. Everything will get clean once the stupid rain stops.